Most people think the multi-tool has been around forever, but the modern version we carry today actually has a very specific origin story. Back in 1975, a mechanical engineer named Tim Leatherman and his wife were on a budget road trip through Europe in a cranky old Fiat 600. Between the car's frequent breakdowns and leaky hotel plumbing, Tim realized his standard pocket knife just wasn't cutting it. He needed a pair of pliers. It took him 8 years of prototyping in his garage and plenty of rejection letters before he finally launched the PST in 1983. Today we're looking at the descendants of that original idea and how I've tweaked them to fit my life. First up is the industry legend, the Leatherman Surge. On Amazon right now, this usually sits around $150. It's built like a tank, but I wanted to push its utility even further. I actually tried to fit these extra blades into my Bibury, but they weren't having it. However, they fit the Surge perfectly. Now, this is my dedicated outdoor and home tool. Whether I'm hunting, camping, or let's be honest, just opening letters in the kitchen, these upgraded blades make this the ultimate utility player. Then we have the Bibury Titanium Alloy Multitool, which runs about $85 on Amazon. This tool has some incredible high-end features that the Surge actually lacks. I'm a huge fan of the full-size hex socket. No proprietary bits needed here. The Damascus components are stunning, and honestly, the ruler is much more readable than the one on the Leatherman. It also features a small Phillips driver that's perfect for precision work. But the Bibury had one major flaw. The pliers weren't spring-loaded. To fix that, I took the plier head from an old Walmart tool that had a nearly identical system. After a bit of work with some T-driver bits, I successfully swapped them. Now I have a titanium Damascus accented tool with spring-loaded pliers. Because of that easy one-handed operation and the hex driver, this has officially become my go-to tool for the shop. So, the experiment was a success. Instead of one Frankenstein's tool, I ended up with two specialized powerhouses. The Surge is now the king of the campsite and the kitchen, and the Bibury, with its new spring-loaded heart, is the hero of my workbench. It just goes to show sometimes the best tool for the job isn't the one you buy, but the one you build. Which of these setups would you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.